Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the Runcam Racer Nano FPV camera. In this video I'm going to compare the two versions that Runcam sent me for testing with the Runcam Racer 2 and the Cadix Turbo EOS 2 Nano FPV camera, and once the final version of the Runcam Racer Nano is going to be released, I'm going to publish a full review. The two versions that I'm going to test are identical in terms of specs, and they are just using a different firmware, and I would appreciate it if you can leave a comment down below and let me know which version you prefer. Unlike the Runcam Nano, the Racer Nano features an OSD plug for configuring the camera, and it's using the same menus of the Racer 2. In addition, it's using a 1.8mm lens with a field of view of 160 degrees. And it weighs 4.42 grams, including the full length of the wires, which I hope Runcam are going to trim in the final version. So it's about 1.2 grams lighter than the Racer 2. The next thing I'm going to do is to head outdoors and compare these cameras side by side in different lighting situations. And as I mentioned before, please let me know which version you like better, the black one or the silver one. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.